Let's talk about a big problem in business: operational blind spots. What's really happening on the ground?
You've got your main business systems, right? But do you really know what's happening in those gaps?
Yeah, those gaps, that's where the operational blind spots are. It's where you lose visibility.
Just think about it. How much of your daily work is still being tracked on old-school paper logs?
Or even worse, critical updates sent through texts or emails. They're just not captured anywhere official.
All these manual processes, they create huge risks because if you can't see it, you can't manage it.
So what's the fix? You can't just replace everything. There has to be a better way, right?
And there is. It's called SFDP. It's a special layer that digitizes all those manual tasks. Now, this doesn't replace your big systems. It works with them to manage the stuff happening in between. Basically, you're replacing paper with digital workflows. Everything becomes auditable, secure, and totally private. And the result? Leadership finally gets a clear view of what's actually happening on the ground. Okay, let's break this down. SFDP gives you real control in 6 pretty specific areas. And these 6 steps, well, they're basically a checklist for your own operations. See where you stand.
So, be honest. How would you rate your own performance across these areas right now? It's a crucial question. Because at the end of the day, this is more than just tech. It's about a real leadership advantage. It's about creating discipline and having the hard evidence to back everything up. No more guesswork. The shift is huge. You go from guessing to knowing, from putting out fires to actually preventing them. So I'll leave you with this. Are your operations truly built on solid evidence or just assumptions?